Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2006 Honda CRV maintenance light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, press and hold the trip meter reset button until the maintenance code appears, then release and press again until the code resets. Check that the wrench or maintenance light turns off and take a short test drive to confirm the system cleared and the light stays off. Follow these button steps calmly to reset your 2006 Honda CRV maintenance light like a pro. With the ignition on and engine off, press and hold the trip reset button until the maintenance code appears, release it, then press and hold again until the display counts down or clears. Confirm the wrench icon goes dark, then cycle the ignition off and on to make sure the light stays off before driving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation. A book titled The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help you budget for repairs or upgrades, which pairs nicely with DIY maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the read if you pick it up, and now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light stubbornly returns on your 2006 Honda CRV, stay patient and try resetting it again following the exact button timing. Inspect the dash display for dim segments or blown fuses that could affect the reset process, and consult the owner manual for cluster specifics. If repeated attempts fail, seek a mechanic or dealer to scan the system and address any lingering service indicators or faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.